The new strain of COVID-19 is now in Jamaica. The Health Ministry made the announcement at a press briefing a short while ago. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says 4 of the 20 positive samples of persons who traveled to Jamaica from the UK on Monday, December 21, were found to have the new variant.
The ministry can now confirm that 4 positive samples are of the new strain, the variant strain, which led to the restrictions in the first place. So those were tested. The Public Health Agency of the region, CARFA, got the samples, and 4 so far have been confirmed positive of the new strain.
Now, the new variant, which originated in the UK, has been wreaking havoc in southeast England and London. Meanwhile, the COVID-19 samples tested for Saturday, January 2, shows the highest positivity rate in weeks.
We have 118 positive cases from a sample tested of 513, and that's in the last 24 hours. This is a positivity rate of 23%, and it represents the highest positivity rate over the past 8 weeks.
Now, the minister says this is in line with the expected upward trend in positive cases due to the increase in overseas travel and other activities over the holiday season.